since '07. Let's go. How many cats gone ghost by the light pole flashing? Flyer on the post, got the whole block asking, have you seen Mittens? Nah, she dipped out slick, cause you never taught her letters, now she can't read. I told you once, it's survival 101. Put books in the litter box and make it fun. They chasing birds, not the words, what a pity. Got cats missing like rent in the inner city. Don't cat things, don't play like that. Don't butter up the feline, then act all flat. She'll spin through the air, land clean on her feet, but you still butt naked, now the neighbors tweeting receipts. Don't cat things, don't glam her face. Lip gloss on a tabby, that's a steamy disgrace. Now she giving you a look like, what's next, king? You just opened up a portal to a feeling fling. But the morals blurred. Put her in your bed, now the whole thing purrs. Rubbing on your leg like she want that flame, but don't kiss her lips, that's not the same game. Cats don't date, they plot and dip. She'll steal your fish and crash your ship, so don't sip wine with your fur to boo. Next thing you know, you meowing too. Don't cat things, don't do it for the gram. That eyeliner flick got her scheming scams. You in deep now, caught in her scheme. Catnip dreams turning into full-blown memes. Don't cat things, don't treat her like that. She's not your therapist, just your emotional cat. Teach her to read, teach her to run, but don't teach her love, cause she already won. Yeah. Think before you cat things, that's all I'm saying. Stay woke, stay unclean.